Our yacht's pretty nice.
Are we gonna get a bigger yacht maybe someday?
This one's massive though.
Speedboat, like over those.
Speedboat.
Why don't you smile like a dog while you're watching our vlog? Thumbs up and comments along and put on your dog face.
What kind of ice?
Well, today me and Blaze and Fake Dad
What's this?
are going for a little ride in our yacht, right?
Put it in.
And I know we're gonna get comments being like, wow, you guys are like bragging, and you know, like, this is our daily lives, and we're not gonna put on a mask. We're gonna be ourselves.
This will be so fun. I haven't been on a boat since I was
You mean
young.
a yacht?
Yeah.
Should I show them the yacht, or is that just kind of like too much? Like, is that?
Use your better judgment. Whatever you decide, they'll understand.
I'll put my gator in.
Okay. Here's our yacht.
Put that in the cooler.
Should I give them a tour? No, that's too much. Going on a boat ride. Going on a boat ride. I think it changed the second time I sang it.
Going on a boat.
I should just take my shoes off.
I made a song.
Should I just take my shoes
pretty
off
cool.
so it'd be a lot more fun?
This is our boat bag. And it was actually Alex's.
Put my gum in there so it doesn't get wet.
Okay. See? And it was actually Alex got it when he went to the dentist. So. But,
Good things do come from going to the dentist. Like we get free water bottles there.
and good teeth. Good deal. By the way, I lost my sunglasses, the pink ones. I lost them at Life Fest, and I even went to the Lost and Found, and I tried to find them, and it was really depressing. Like, it was a really hard time for me.
I just got these last Saturday.
What is today?
And
14.
so I'm wearing fake mom's
I don't know.
glasses. But I was pretty sad because I love those glasses. And if you guys ever see a pair like that,
Like laying around?
yeah, or if they're like on an online store or something, send me a link. Okay, and he's like, will you watch? I'm like, I don't like it when people do this because then I feel so much pressure. Because then they're like, is it good? I'm like, I don't know. I don't know how to put a boat thing in the water. Okay, it's a boat. It's not a boat thing. Blaze just asked why we have dental floss in our bag.
So we can live.
So we can live. No, because it was already like Alex's dentist bag. And we figured that if we ever need like a rope of some sort, we'll grab the dental floss. Right? Here. Okay. Safety first. I think I put it all upside down. This is embarrassing. Is it doing things? Kinda. How's our yacht doing? It smells like bacon. Oh, we're moving. Hey, Dad, let's go over the jump over there.
Alright.
Okay. I don't think our big yacht is supposed to. Like, you should probably sit down. Yeah. Boat ride is going good so far.
You want me to kill him over?
And no. And we're almost up to this really pretty dam. It's really cool looking from here. We're gonna try to get close and film it.
If you turn the camera on, you might film Blaze falling in the river.
Okay.
What?
It's really cool looking though. Right.
Oh. Here's something up behind us there too.
It's probably a gator.
It's Loch Ness Monster.
Probably a gator.
Oh, it could be gator.
And we saw,
Shoot him!
we saw a dolphin.
They're flopping like crazy on that side there. I saw it by the shore.
We saw a dolphin, right? And a whale.
They were like going alongside the...
Yeah. Okay. Blaze wanted to paddle. Can you guys like go a little faster? It's kind of boring.
I feel like like I should sing something like we would on a...
Got myself wet.
Like an Italian song? Wait, what's that one that Shay sings? It's like, that's amore. And it's like a big pizza.
When, what is it?
It's like pizza something.
When the moon hits your eyes like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
That's the only Italian song I can think of.
It's a good one, though.
Thank you, Shay Tards. Peace. Peace.
This really is peaceful.
Enjoying your time on the yacht, guys?
Yeah.
Oh. There's the anchor.
Should we anchor away?
That looks like...
Should I put it down?
Is it tied on to anything?
No.
You don't want to throw it overboard unless it's tied on.
Let's use the anchor.